That was cool.
That's very cool. And yeah, the shaking of the tree, and then soon after, look at that. Awesome. Basically what he's doing, he's also getting towards the end of it now, so there's not that many. So he's not too keen for this younger bull. He's going to probably chase him again just now. He's not too keen for this younger bull to take part of what he's basically shaking out of the tree.
It's a guy thing.
Yeah. He's basically keeping the brighter part of the light, polite thing, a respectful thing to do. Sorry.
Lots of insects.
That feeling flying into my ear there. Here's the younger guy. Very much, as you can see, hanging around right on the perimeter. Doesn't want to mess with that bigger guy. The other guy would literally be about twice his weight. Maybe even more. This guy, I would guess, is probably about the size of a white rhino, maybe 1.5 to 2 tons, if that. The bigger one, it's not a massive bull yet, but that other one, probably about 4 tons or so. 3.5 tons maybe. Oh! Another bug in my ear. Sorry, dude. Just to make a point. Love elephant. My days get to hang up. Yeah. Hang out with some aliens. See, just using the trunk there, so it's very bright. Feeling around and smelling around. Also extremely sensitive feet. They would literally feel it if they stood in one of those. So puts his trunk up. Use the base of the trunk. There we go. It sounded like about 5 or 10 more fruits. Most of it fell down earlier. As they get older, the skeleton growth starts slowing down, so they don't. 35 years old. Muscle, they get more bulky. The rump area, the back and the shoulders there will get more and more bulked up. Especially with bulls. Turn a little bit. Guys, quite relaxed. Good evening. One intelligent mammal is keen for some interaction with another species, maybe to gain a bit more understanding. Give them some privacy. think I heard about 2. We're getting to the end of this tree.
I think we're in a precarious spot under this tree.
They might come and shake us out just now. See if we put any in the car here. We also